Okay, so it's a little bit dark out here, but right now I'm going to do a cold start of my 98 Yamaha 600 VMAX. Here we go.